Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a video about two new products that I bought. Looks weird, this side. The first two products I bought. First is the Becca highlighter, and I haven't actually unboxed it yet. And then also, I have the Gerrard Cosmetics lip pencil. So this video is just a first impressions video. I just want to show you these two new items, and I'm going to actually try them on my face, and I'm going to try them on obviously my lips and my face, because one's a lip pencil and one's a highlighter, and I'm going to see how they work, if I like them, how they work on my skin, and I'll give you my honest review. But first, I just want to say hi to everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate everyone's support. I'm really happy with all the content I'm putting out, and I think I'm doing such a good job to to incorporate my loves in videos, and hopefully you're enjoying them too. I'm just wearing this Adidas top today and I absolutely love it. It's really, really cool and retro. So, I hope everyone's having an amazing day as usual. How's everyone? Please comment down below what you think of the video when you finish watching it. What's your favourite products? I would love to know, because I'm always really intrigued to find out what people's opinions are on the products I use on my channel. So the first product I'm going to review and unbox is this one. This is the Becca Cosmetics. And I bought the highlighter. And I bought the mini version because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. Because, you know, I'm madly in love with the Opal highlighter by Nikki Tutorials. So this is the highlighter here. And it comes in a cute little package. And the shade I bought was actually Opal. And it says Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Opal. I'm just going to open it. I love the little cute box. It's so cute. It's like a little like silvery kind of rose gold kind of box. I love that. So this is a highlighter. It's so cute and mini and diddy. So if I like this one, I'm going to buy the full version of it. I'm just going to have a look into it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Sorry, there we are. That looks amazing. I love the little mirror. I think that's such a cool little touch. And I'm just going to swatch it now. So the colour is kind of champagne, kind of bronzy colour. I'm just going to swatch for the first time. Look at that. Wow, it's really, really intense. Very pigmented. I'm just going to swatch on my hands. Is what all the YouTubers do. So can you see that? Oh, it's a beautiful golden bronze kind of highlighter. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like wet looking. Stunning. Wow. So I haven't actually put any highlighter on solely for the purpose of this video. So I'm just going to swatch the Becca highlighter now. Don't you just hate it when you put your finger on a new highlighter and it gets that mark on it? Ugh. So I'm going to use the Morphe M510 brush. I've got two brushes. This is the Morphe one, and the one is so this is the M510 brush from Morphe, and then I've got the Morphe M310 fan brush. So I'm going to see what kind of different consistencies the brushes provide, how each brush applies the product, and what different ways it applies it. So I'm just going to go in now. I wish I could zoom you in, but I can't. So doesn't seem to be a lot of product on here, but let's try it. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow. So let's have a look. Oh, that's such a beautiful glow. There is quite a lot of fallout though, as you can see. Oh my God, it's so stunning. It's very buildable. Oh, this is the perfect highlighter. It's so wet looking. Can you see? That's the highlighting side, that's the non-highlighted side. I'm going to try it out with a fan brush, see if it's any different on the other side of my cheek. So I'm just going to... I've not really touched it that much, and just feather out. Yes. So can you see there? Now the fan brush applies it very kind of softly, so it's not as intense as the actual 510 brush, but I'm just going to go dip into it again, just finish it off, and look at that, it's a constant beautiful glow. Do the nose. This is my perfect shade. This is like the shade that I have in the Ofra by Nikki Tutorials shade. It is beautiful. Look at that. It's so stunning. I don't want to use any more because it's gonna all run out, isn't it? So cute, so compact. Oh, it's just so cute and so minuscule, and I love the fact you can just carry it everywhere with you. It's stunning. I wish I bought the full size now. So that's the highlighter. What do you think, guys? What's your favourite highlighter? Is yours Becca Cosmetics or is it something different? Does that look better? I'm just bringing the ring light. So that's the highlighter side done. I'll pop it back in the box because I absolutely love highlighters. So now I'm going to take this lip gloss on and I'm going to test out the new Gerrard Cosmetics, not new, it's been around for a while, the Gerrard Cosmetics lip pencil in Nude. Hi guys, so today's a couple of days after and I've actually just had my lips done also, so can you see how amazing and plump they are? I've had the top just a bit more plumped up. They look absolutely insane. So I just wanted to explain why now it's a different day and obviously a different clip. The camera ran out when I was filming and I had to go out that night, so I wasn't able to finish the video. But today, so we're going to finish off the video and I'm going to try out the new lip pencil by Gerrard Cosmetics. And I'm going to put it on my lips and see how it works, what it's like. So I'll just take this lip gloss off and I'll be back in a second. So the gloss is off and I'm just going to apply the lip pencil. Sorry about the unmade bed in the back. I'm just about to strip the bed and put some new sheets on. So I've put the lip liner on and the colour is, can you see, kind of a stony, really lovely colour. So very nice kind of stone. It's not very nude though, because this actually says nude. This is more of a darker kind of terracotta brown. So it is a matte lip, but I was wearing some gloss before, so it has given me a bit of a sheen. It's very, very nice, very beautiful, very nice and supple, and the consistency feels really, really nice and soft. So overall, I'm really, really happy with the lip. I think it's a beautiful colour and I'm absolutely in love with my new lips as well. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Sorry about the cutting of videos. Do you like Gerrard Cosmetics or do you like other brands of lip liners? I'm absolutely in love with this lip liner. It's very, very creamy, very beautiful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video and turn the notification bell on to be notified when I next upload. And that's it, guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day or week or whatever day it is where you are right now watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.